Today we're in St. Paul, Minnesota on Shepherd Road at the old Univac manufacturing facility. This was a 330,000 square foot building, mostly single story with one two-story. I'd say the MDP27 stands out because it's a perfect balance between a little bit smaller processor and a much larger processor. It has great power to weight ratio and allows us to do a lot of processing with a bit smaller equipment.
The MDP is very impressive with the power to weight ratio. Surprised on what type of concrete, how thick a concrete it would go through. So pretty much anything we've found that will fit in that jaw, it has crushed it.
This size processor on this size carrier is really a great size. Up until now, you've either had to go too small where you didn't have the power, or too big where you had to move too big a piece of equipment in to do it. This is a great size for a great application. The power to weight ratio is incredible. I would say that the crushing capability of this tool matches that of a tool 30% larger. And the beauty of this tool is by switching the jaws fast, you can crush something that's incredibly hard with the cracker jaw, or put the pulverizer jaw on for something that's maybe not reinforced as heavily.
And also the nice thing about it is the quick attach that we have on the machine, and the versatility of the 360-degree attachment head where we could get into spots that we really need to get into. And also the nice thing about it is the length of it. You can get into buildings, whereas other attachments are shorter. This one you can get in quite a bit to get to what you need to get to.
We are able to get more jobs done in a certain amount of time by having the MDP27 on a smaller carrier. It's more versatile because of its size. We probably get an extra 2 or 3 jobs in a year having this smaller piece of equipment.
The time that you can take a building down is so much quicker than it would be to have multiple machines in here with different heads.
The MDP27 was a great application at 3M where we demolished some blast bunkers. These were between 18-inch and 24-inch thick walled bunkers built to contain explosions. We were able to get the machine in a small space where a bigger machine would have taken up too much space to gain access. Having this tool, rather than using a hydraulic hammer to get it tangled in the rebar and have to torch it or cut it out, this allows us to rotate it, move it, grip it, pull it, and separate it all as we're demolishing those bunkers.
And it took us 2 weeks to do one blast bunker, whereas since we had the MDP, we did 9 bunkers in the amount of time almost that it took us to do one bunker last year.
I would say the purchase of the MDP27 probably paid for itself in one job.
Carl Bolander & Sons has been around since 1924, and we're one of the biggest demolition earthwork companies in the metro area, and we're going on 1.5 million safe hours, and we're proud of that.
And we were the first company in the Minneapolis metro area to crush and recycle concrete, began in 1975 crushing and recycling concrete, something that the MDP27 is great prepping for. The Labaudy service and support has been great. Every time we've had any question, any issue, they answer the phone call or they get right back to us. If we have an issue in the field, they come out to us and service us right away.
Yeah, they've been great. Like I say, anytime I give him a call, he calls me right back. If I have any issues, yeah, they call right away. So I haven't had no issues with them whatsoever. So it significantly made our lives a lot easier. It's been a great tool.
We can save the customer money, which results in better for our bottom line, better for the customer's bottom line. We get more work, we get it done faster, on to the next job.